Hey, Cameron here from Winjet Automotive. Today we're going to be removing the OEM taillights from this 2016-2021 Toyota Tacoma and giving it an upgrade by installing our new Renegade Series LED taillights from Winjet Automotive. Let's get started. For this install, you'll need a 10mm socket attachment, a wedge tool, and a small pick tool. Having an electric drill will make quick work. We're going to remove the support bolts to the taillights. Go ahead and release the tailgate. There's a top bolt and a bottom bolt. Locate the two bolts on the inside of the bed close to the taillight. Grab your tool with a 10mm socket attachment. Remove the two bolts. Once those are both removed, grab your wedge tool to separate the light from the body. Now that the light is free, we need to disconnect the light. The top two connectors can easily be removed by pinching the release and pulling apart. The bottom connector will need to be turned clockwise to release. The bulb will still be attached. To release the bulb, you'll need your pick tool. Simply raise the release from inside the locking mechanism to release the bulb. It's now time to install the new taillights. First, let's connect the plugs to the appropriate connectors, top to bottom. Next, feed the wires back into the vehicle body. Line up the bottom peg and push into place. It's now time to grab the two bolts that we removed at the beginning. Secure the light into place. Now it's time for the fun part. Peel off the plastic cover to reveal your brand new taillights. Be sure to repeat the same steps for the opposite light. These lights come in 3 different colors: gloss black clear, black smoke, and black red. Congrats on your new Renegade Series LED taillights from Winjet Automotive. If you like these step-by-step videos, feel free to like and subscribe to see more product installation videos and new future products. Thanks for checking in here at Winjet. We'll see you next time.